Holystone HS170 Predator. So you get a little warranty card, caution of the battery card, pretty nice instruction manual. We get a USB charger, spare propellers, a few spare screws, one of those prop pullers there, and then also a screwdriver. But here is the drone, and well, let's hold off on the drone. So, okay, this is an interesting looking controller. It is really big. 2 AA's, that's what it takes. And then here is the drone. Now this is the Predator. I had the Night Elven before, which pretty much looked the same. Might have been a little bit smaller. Other than that, it is the same drone. Also, you get altitude hold. I just noticed that. So it is altitude hold. And then you get a 3.7 volt, 350 milliamp hour LiPo battery. So there it is, good looking drone, and we are gonna charge this up and take it out and fly. Okay, let's try out this HS170 Predator. So this looks very similar. Actually, Holystone makes a HS170G, which is the Night Elven. I did have that on the channel before, so if you're interested in how that flies, you can go ahead and check it out. So how you turn this on is you simply plug it in. So we'll put this here. This is kind of a flat spot right here. And then we'll turn this on and we'll up, down. So it stopped flashing. Now we have a bind. If we want to calibrate the gyros, all we do is down and to the left. See that fast flash? Now it's solid. The gyro is calibrated. The only way to take it off is by hitting this auto takeoff. So we are in the first rate, and as you can see, it is not very fast. But another thing I wanted to show is it does have altitude hold, and as you can see, I am kind of drifting to the back. So let's hit this trim button here. Okay, that we did that, and actually I'm trimming it the wrong. Yeah. So we'll hit this to, okay. Kind of over trimmed it. So these are your trims, and okay, there we go. That's a pretty good hover right there. So the altitude hold works pretty good. Bring it down here. So like I said, we're in the first rate. There is 3 rates. So to go to the next rate, you hit that button, and now we're in the second rate. The yaw increases, and so does the pitch. So let's hit this. You hear the 3 beeps, and yeah, the pitch increases significantly, and we are buzzing around the yard now. Oh yeah, it moves around pretty good. So let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, we have headless mode. So if you hit headless mode, you see it's flashing like that. So what headless mode is, if you're unfamiliar with drones, is there's no head or tail on the drone. So I could be facing this way, and if I hit forward, it goes forward. If I hit back, it'll go back. Same with left and right. So I could be facing any direction. See, now I'm sideways, but still forward is forward. So that's a way for beginners to learn their directions. I could even spin in circles, and it doesn't matter. See, I'm spinning in circles, and forward is forward. It's pretty cool how it knows that. So we did the rates, we did headless mode, we did auto takeoff. It does have auto land, and I'm drifting away because I'm not watching myself here. And here it has a flip button. So there's 2 ways you can flip. If you just want to do a quick flip like that, you just hit that button and it'll do a backflip. So that's all it does with that button, is backflips, as you can see, and it does really nice flips as well. If you want to flip in other directions, you have to push this stick down, and now you push it to whichever side you want to do your rolls. There's a back flip and there's a front flip. So there is 2 different ways to flip this drone. Also, speaking of the flip button, it has an emergency stop. So if you long press the flip button, and boom, there it goes. That's kind of your panic button. If you're losing control or something, you just long press that flip button and it'll just cut the power. So I think we have to bind it now. Yep, up, down, and then we got her bound again, and we'll take off. Still in that third rate, and it does move pretty good in the third rate. Or it does have the auto land button, so let's hit the auto land button, and it's going to come down. And I was kind of drifting forward when it did that, but that works pretty good too. You don't have to land it with the auto land like you have to take off with the auto takeoff. You can also just come down in the yard, and as soon as you hit the ground, it stops the propellers. So let's enjoy this while we still have battery, because there is only like 6 to 8 minutes of battery. So let's just enjoy this drone while we can. And there, I just saw the lights are flashing. Let's see those LEDs up there. They are flashing, so that means the battery is low. And yeah, it didn't take long. That just happened all by itself. I did not bring it down, but there you have it. That is the Holystone HS170 Predator. It is a awesome drone for the price. It's only like 25 bucks on Amazon, but it flies amazing. Decent flight time out of the battery. These things, you never get a really long flight time, so you get a decent amount of flight out of it. So this is a really good drone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.
Duker.